roll BT. Happy Saturn day all. So it's been a while since I did a live on here, since we went camping actually. So why am I here today doing a live video on the Witches Bazaar? Well, we're really excited actually. We have a new CBD product which is coming out tomorrow officially. It is available on the website right now as we speak on thewitchesbazaar.com, but the official launch is tomorrow. So what is it? It's just really exciting, yeah, because we are helping a huge amount of people with the CBD products that we already have. That's the oil, which is the leaf only extract, which is doing amazing things with people, and also the salve, which is it flies off the shelves. It's amazing. We are awestruck by how incredibly powerful these products are. Yeah. Well, what we're doing, we're adding to these products. How so? Okay, well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about that. So what we have is, this is it. Oh, let me get it in the light where you can see it. I don't know if you can see that. It's a high CBD and high THC oil, yeah, which has been extracted from buds, pure bud, yeah, nothing else, just the bud. And it is grown for its CBD and THC content. And how we're going to sell that, because it's expensive. Yeah, if we were going to sell it as the pure oil, it'd be very expensive for you to buy. Yeah. So what we decided to do to keep the cost down for you is to, like we do in aromatherapy, we do a 5% dilution. So we're selling the this particular oil as a 5% dilution in the leaf only extract CBD oil and also in the salve, because we can mix it in with the salve, as a dilution, as a 5% dilution, because it is that powerful. Yeah. Like aromatherapy oils, it is that powerful. Even when you dilute it into the CBD products that we already have, you're still going to get a really powerful product. And the other thing as well, because it's that powerful, you'll need to use less of it. So although initially the price is higher, you'll only need to use a fraction of what you were using before. Yeah. So the reason that we're introducing this product is if you have like chronic pain. I mean, this particular strain of CBD oil is really good for any kind of cancer issues, around, to help with the management of the toxins that they use to treat the disease. So any like chronic disease in the body, body, mind, will benefit from this higher CBD, high THC oil, even in its 5% dilution. If you are interested in just having it on its own, just send us a message, and we'll quote you a price. But I promise you, it will not be cheap if you buy it just on its own, not diluted. Yeah. But if you're desperate, we can certainly come to an agreement on the price. So the percentages for this particular high CBD, high THC oil, it's 3% CBD, 10% THC, and it is non-psychoactive. Okay, it's not been activated. So although it's not been activated, you still get the benefits. Okay, just not with the with the psychoactiveness. Okay. The next batch that we will do probably about 80% of it non-psychoactive and 20% of it is psychoactive, if you know that's what you're after. It's just that's not the reason we're selling it. We are selling it to people to help with, you know, the holistic management of any kind of problems that they have in the body, mind. So the oil, so that's whether you're buying the leaf only extract or whether you're buying the higher CBD one, the 5% dilution, you can either have it as a spray, yeah, so you get a spray top, or as a dropper, so like you get in the top of an aromatherapy bottle, yeah, or you have a pipette. Okay, so depending on kind of how you're using it, I guess. I mean, we found that the spray, this is our own bottle, so please excuse the messiness of it. As you can see, we use it a lot. This is a 100ml bottle that we have for our own personal use. And yes, we have got the 5% dilution in there as well. So we are using it ourselves. We use it on ourselves. We even use it on our dog. Bless him. Little Smurf. He's not here at the moment. He's in the bedroom because it's windy and he doesn't like the wind. So, but he's not running down the stairs in a panic in the wind because he's had his CBD oil today. Yeah. So if you're using it on your pets, the easiest way is to just spray a little bit on their food, like one spray on the top of their food. For bigger dogs, you might want 2 sprays. You can try and put it in the water, but because it's oil-based, then that's not really going to work properly. If you want to put it directly into them, if you pull outside of their mouth like that and then spray it into the side of their mouth, that's the easiest way to get it in there, yeah. And it's not going to hurt them. Like I say, we're using it on Smurf with this wind at the storm. Oh, here he comes, look, as if on demand. Hello, little boy. What are you doing? Come on then. No. I never worked with animals and children. They never do as they're told. Yeah, so we've been using it on him because he has panic attacks with this kind of weather that's going on at the moment. He's like moving curtains and stuff, and he hyperventilates, and he's not a happy bunny. So he's having his CBD at the moment. So with the oil as well, you can put it on your skin, you can put it in your food, you know, whatever you use other types of oil for, you can use CBD oil for, yeah. It's very good for managing pain through the body, yeah, on a kind of longer kind of term basis, really. Whereas the salve is really good as a topical pain relief. Yeah, I can't tell you how amazing the salve is. Yeah, I used it myself to get rid of a nerve pain and a neuralgia pain that I had in my arm. I've used it on insect bites because with this hot weather, I've been bitten left, right, and centre. So I've been using it on that. I've even used it where it's been so hot. The pustular psoriasis, I've got a piece on my foot. I've been using it on that, banishing it. What else? People are using it for sprains, any kind of muscle soreness or muscle fatigue. I banged my knee the other day. I stood on the dog, and then reflex to him yelping, I banged my knee really hard on the cupboard door in the kitchen, and it really hurt, and it came out really red. And so what I did is I put some CBD salve to bring the bruise out, and I tell you something, it doesn't hurt at all. It's brought the bruise right out, no pain. Yeah. It is quite amazing. I've used it as well on my scalp for the psoriasis I've got on my scalp. So people are using it for chronic skin conditions as well. And with this higher CBD stuff, well, I'm going to use the word miracle, yeah, because it is miraculous what it's doing for people. It is absolutely amazing. So yeah, like I say, we're selling, and it is up on the website now, but the official launch is tomorrow. I'm going to be doing something tomorrow around that. I don't know what yet. So we've got the high CBD, high THC oil, which will be diluted, like a 5% dilution, either in the salve or in the leaf only CBD oil that we're already selling. So you can go to our website right now, whichisbazaar.com, and if you scroll down the page, there's a big, you can't miss it, a big purple box with a link in there, yeah, and also stuff that people are saying about this amazing product, and it really is incredible. It's just wow. So what else would I like to say around that? Oh, prices. Yes, prices. So bear in mind the higher CBD, high THC bud oil is more expensive, even it's 5% dilution. So the 30ml oil, CBD oil, will be £25 for the higher CBD stuff. 30ml of salve is £35. 60ml salve will be £50, or you can have two 30mls for the same price. And 120ml of the salve, the high THC, high CBD salve, will be £80. Okay, so it is slightly more expensive, but like I say, you'll use less anyway because it's more powerful. So the price levels out, to be honest. It's just if you need a stronger product, this is the one. Yeah. Okay, so if you go to thewitchesbazaar.com on the homepage, if you scroll down the big purple box, there's a link there that takes you off to the product page for the CBD products. Okay, is there anything else I need to say around that? I don't think so. Just grab it before it goes, because believe me, the last time we launched, the first launch of something, and it was like, oh my god, we've sold it all. So we had to quickly get more stuff in to make more. It was quite blown away, really blown away. Okay, whichisbazaar.com for our CBD products. The link is on the front page in the big purple box. I've said it 3 times now. I don't think I need to say it again. I will also be sending out a newsletter, or like a bulletin letter, about this launch for tomorrow. I think that's it. Yeah, if you have any questions at all, please just comment in the bottom here or send me a message. So yeah, have a lovely Saturn day, and we will see you soon, either here or on our website, whichisbazaar.com. Right, blessings. Live long and prosper.